So here is my 2024 Honda Accord Hybrid Sport, and it has an interesting issue. It has right now, so you can see on there, 645 miles, but it makes a very annoying noise that's coming from the glove box area. And the easiest way to get it to go is to hit the recirculation button. I'm not sure if you can hear that, but it will drive you absolutely insane. I've taken it to the dealer. I'm going to turn this off again, and you can hear it again. Turn it back on. It can get louder. Right now it's not horrible. So if you're getting this noise, it is part of, I guess, a relay. It's about a $124 part according to Honda. And it is currently on back order, which tells me that this is a common issue. So if you're experiencing this, now you know what it is. You're not going crazy. Take it to your dealer and have them replace it. And if you want to recreate it, just hit that recirculation button, and there it goes. And they should be able to diagnose that pretty quickly. Hope this helps.